how to turn off or disable your autocomplete in Pycharm. Basically disabling your inline completion. So how you're gonna do this is by going inside your settings. Actually, it's going to be found over here or in your files, whichever way you can get into your settings, and then navigate yourself into editor. Expand that and go ahead inside general, and then you're gonna find this, which is your inline completion. Just go ahead and toggle that off, or there's going to be specific ones here. Pretty much depends on what you prefer, but once you have chosen, just go ahead and press on apply like so, and that's pretty much it. The inline completion will now be disabled. Just go ahead and press on OK. It will close up your settings, and then you can try if it is completely disabled, and of course it should be. But that's pretty much how you can turn off your autocomplete or your inline completion in Pycharm. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.